Good morning, second graders. Sorry for calling you first graders yesterday. That was a slip of the tongue. Today we're going to talk about amounts more than $1, and your lesson starts on page 497. Let's first review how to count out amounts less than $1. This is the problem on page 497, so if you're following along and you need to pause so that you can draw your money, you can do that too. It says that Dominic has 1/4. You can draw a circle and write 25 inside, or just put a Q. 1/4, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 1 penny. When I count this out, I'm going to start with the biggest amount so that it doesn't get confusing. 25. Now I'm going to switch to counting by tens. 25, 35, 45, switch, 50, 55, 60, 61. So Dominic has 61 cents. If Dominic also had $1, I would write it $1.61. But Dominic doesn't have $1. He only has 61 cents. So that's your answer on page 497. This is what you need to draw and write on page 497. Let's look at the first example on page 498. This is up at the very top in the light pinkish, purplish top of the page. Here are the coins that are put out on the top of the page. Let's count them. 25, 50, 75, $1. Now because this is $1, I'm going to circle it, if I can get the cap off my marker. There it is. I'm going to circle $1. $1. Now I can start all over again with 25. 25, switch, 26, 27. So I have $1 and 27 cents. I also need to put the dollar sign in front. $1.27. Here is your assignment. You need to do page 497 all the way to page 502 in your workbook. For me, you need to upload your response to question 2. Count out just like I did in the example, count out the money, and tell me how much it is. You can use real money, or you can just use the money in your workbook. Don't forget to do your extra math. See ya.